Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a cut crease St. Patrick's Day inspired look. I figured St. Patrick's Day is coming up and I also wanted to do a little cut crease moment. So I figured why not put them both in one video. So yeah, this is the look I created today. Super pretty, definitely something that I would wear out. So if you guys like how I did this look and want to see how I did it, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with my plouise base Rumor number 2. For my eyeshadow, I will be using these two palettes right here. This is the Anastasia Subculture palette, and this is the James Charles palette. I'm going to grab the darker green, and I'm just going to focus on the crease. I'm going to grab a tighter crease brush and I'm just going to blend that. I'm going to go back in with that yellow. And I'm just going to intensify the green in the crease. And just slightly blend it into with the other shades. I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with my plouise Rumor number 0. Now this is more of a white tone, so it's going to pick up the shimmer of the green. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab the lighter shade of the green and blend this inwards. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into the Anastasia palette with the shade Electric. And I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm just going to dab that shade on. I'm going to go ahead and grab the darker green from the Anastasia palette, which is Untamed. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner of my eye. For my lashes, I will be using Kiss lashes in style chiffon. With the wipe, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe all the excess. To prime my face, I will be using the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup. For foundation, I will be using the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced, and this is in shade Warm Nude. For my concealer, I will be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, number 26. And I also will be putting some of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Fair. To contour, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in shade Tan Deep Sand. To contour my face, I will be using the Powder Contour Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is light to medium. For my blush, I will be using Dandelion by Benefit. For today's highlight, I will be using Eye Dusk Gold Glimmer by the Makeup Store, and it's a loose powder highlight. For the bottom lash line, I will be applying the same color green that I applied at the top. To bake, I will be using the same contour kit, and it's going to be the lightest pink. For my lip liner, I will be using Sisley Paris lip liner in shade Chocolat. For the lipstick, I will be using the Note Matte Lipstick in shade number 60. And for the topper, I will be using the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in shade Boy Bait. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the corner. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.